MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Chris Honig, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is a beautiful boat that was redesigned by Sea Ray in 2018, and it's 25.2 feet overall length and an 8'6" beam. Great boat for entertaining, and follow me back here. I'm going to start from the stern and show you all the upgrades that this boat has. So this boat is powered by an upgraded 300 Mercury Verado, nice white paint on it to match the boat. We have gray sea deck all throughout the back stern, and a really nice seating combination right here. This seat slide all the way back, so you have tons of room out here, and then we'll slide forward so you can entertain on the stern when you're anchored up. This boat has upgraded sound system package, an upgraded appearance package with blue LED lighting throughout, and then also blue LED underwater lighting as well. This boat has a Simrad 9-inch touchscreen for all your digital dash and electronics. Also powered by a Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. With the redesign of this boat, they decided to put everything on one side to give you more maximized space in the head. So if you can see in here, you now have your pump out head and then a little daybed area get you out of the sun. With that redesign, this boat also has a lot more space up front for adding a bow cushion and creating a nice sun pad up top with tons of cup holders and a bow table as well for cocktails. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other ones in our store, please call me Chris Honig, 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.